Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're diving into the delicious world of mango kulfi. So I'm using the freshest Kesar mangoes and sweet Pakistani mangoes. These were conveniently delivered right to my door by my favourite online meat shop. So it is mango season and it's the perfect time to indulge in these tropical delights. The online meat shop have an amazing variety of mangoes available, including the rich and creamy Alphonso, the aromatic Kesar and the juicy Pakistani mangoes. And not forgetting my favourite, the incredibly sweet Dominican honey mangoes. I've had the pleasure of trying them all and each one is a refreshing treat, especially in this hot weather. The vibrant flavours in these mangoes really shine through in the kulfi, making it a perfect dessert to cool down. So let's get started on this easy and delicious recipe. So first of all, I cut the mangoes into small pieces. My niece is kindly helping me to crush some nuts. And now she wanted to swap jobs, so I'm going to have to crush some nuts while she mixes up some mango. First up, I'm going to heat up some evaporated milk in a large pan. You can use a carnation milk instead, that would be better. I'm now going to add in some whole milk along with some crushed cardamom. So I'm going to give that a good stir and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to put the mango into my Ninja chopper and give that a good blend. I'm going to try to get this as smooth as possible. The milk is boiling away. I need to make sure that I keep on stirring this. It's now time to add some double cream. I'm going to add this and bring it to another boil. And now in go them nuts that my niece crushed up for me earlier on. So I'm now going to add the homemade mango pulp. I'm going to make sure I stir that regular. After a few minutes, I'm just going to add a whole packet of Rasmalai mix. I'm going to add this in bits and stir it as I go along. This will avoid it being all lumpy. So here I have some orange food colour. I've added this in to give it the perfect colour. So I've just added 1 cup of sugar and I'm going to give that a really good mix. So I cooked this for another 15 minutes on medium heat. I made sure I stirred that regularly. I then transferred them into these cute little pots and I froze them for 24 hours. And now 24 hours later, the mango kulfi is ready. I'm just going to garnish with some nuts. Each mango kulfi was left out at room temperature for about 30 minutes before I served it. My family absolutely love this mango kulfi. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please stay tuned for amazing recipes just like this one. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.